Hi everyone, Chandrayaan 3. Hi everyone, Chandrayaan 3 consists of an indigenous propulsion module, lander module, and a rover with an objective of developing and demonstrating new technologies required for interplanetary missions. The main function of propulsion module is to carry the lander module from launch vehicle, injection orbit to till lander separation. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. And this is my special tribute to ISRO team. Thank you.